How to use Instagram for beginners. So let's get started. Instagram is a social media platform where you can share photos, videos, stories, and connect with others. And here is how to get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded the Instagram app on your mobile device through App Store in iPhone and Google Play Store in Android. Once done so, as you can see, we are in a home section of the Instagram. Here, feed with posts from accounts you follow will appear. You can simply scroll down and look for the post your followers have or the person you are following has posted, and you can simply see the search icon available right next to it. Simply tap on the search icon. Now here in search icon you can explore trending contents and search for users. You can tap on the search address bar and search by the name for the individual, group or the celebrity you are looking for, and you will find their account. And you can also find the trending contents and videos available on here. Now here all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available at the middle. Here you can create, upload photos, videos or even post stories, or you can simply post reels, any videos, photos that you want to or you want to share your followers or following to view on your profile. Scroll down and look for the videos and simply tap on the share icon available there and share it to your profile, and it will be visible to all the people that follow you. Now here this is the reel section. Here you can find the short entertaining video clips. You can scroll down, find the very entertaining clips where you can laugh out or you can find some mesmerizing content as well. So this is for the entertainment purposes. Now tap on the profile icon and here is you can view and edit your personal page. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.